The customer brought in the vehicle with one simple complaint. The AC is not cooling at all. Outside temperature was 43 degrees Celsius. Inside the cabin, the temperature had risen to 45 degrees Celsius. The center vent was also blowing air at 45 degrees Celsius, which means the AC system wasn't cooling whatsoever. The first step was checking the compressor operation. Immediately, I noticed the compressor clutch was not engaging. Next, I connected the manifold gauge set. The readings were high side pressure 150 psi, low side pressure 140 psi. Normally, when the compressor is operating, there should be a large difference between the high and low sides. But here, both pressures were almost equal. This tells us that refrigerant is present inside the system, but the compressor is not pumping. Since the clutch never engaged, the compressor shaft never rotated. That explains why the pressure remained almost static. Before next step, I checked the compressor power supply and found good. At this point, many technicians immediately assume the compressor has failed. However, further inspection revealed something different. The actual fault was inside the magnetic clutch coil. This compressor uses an internal thermal protection sensor. Its purpose is to protect the magnetic coil from overheating. When this internal temperature sensor fails, electrical current cannot pass through the coil. Without a magnetic field, the clutch plate never pulls in. The compressor never turns. Refrigerant is never compressed. The air conditioner cannot produce cold air. This is a very important diagnosis because the compressor's internal pumping mechanism was still in good condition. Only the clutch assembly had failed. Instead of replacing the complete compressor, I replaced only the defective components: magnetic clutch coil, clutch plate, pulley and wheel hub. After installation, the clutch engaged normally, and the compressor started operating immediately. The manifold gauge readings returned to normal operating pressure, confirming proper refrigerant circulation. Now, let's look at the final results. The outside temperature was still 43 degrees Celsius. But now the cabin temperature dropped to 24.8 degrees Celsius. Even more impressive, the center vent temperature dropped from 45 degrees Celsius all the way down to 3.8 degrees Celsius. That confirms the repair was completely successful. This case reminds us that equal high and low pressure with a non-engaging compressor clutch doesn't always mean the compressor is defective. Always diagnose the clutch coil, thermal protector, power supply, and control circuit before replacing the compressor. If you found this case study helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with other automotive technicians. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next automotive diagnostic case study.